Dear students, next question from 9th standard, the motion chapter, NCERT exercise problem 1. So let's see the question. See that an athletic complete one round of a circular track of radius, the diameter 200 meter. Okay, so they complete in one round in 40 seconds. Okay, so what will be the distance covered? So now they're asking distance covered and the displacement at the end of the 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, so actually what is the question? ஒரு circular track இருக்கு இந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ circular trackோட radius வந்து கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஓகே, circular track diameter கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, that is a 200 meter. So what about radius? So radius is 100 meter. Okay, 100 meter circular track, then the radius is 100 meter. Okay, இப்போ என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா, இப்போ இந்த பொசிஷன் ஒருத்தர் நிற்கிறான். Okay, so one person standing in the position of A. Okay, now when we complete for one round taking time is for one round taking time is 40 seconds. Okay, right. Then what will be the distance covered and the displacement at 2 minutes and 20 seconds? But 2 minutes and 20 seconds அப்புறம் இந்த person cover பண்ண distance எவ்வளவு, displacement எவ்வளவு? That is the question. Okay, right. See that. Then how to approach this question? So see that this timing is very important. Okay, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So please listen. So see the solution. 2 minutes plus 40 seconds. Okay, so this 2 minutes converted into second, that is 120 seconds plus 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, so 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So totally how much seconds will come? That is 140 seconds. So after completing 140 seconds, what about distance and displacement? That is question. Okay, so our time target is what? That is 140 seconds. Okay, so first for one round he complete one round, for taking time is 40 seconds. Okay, next second round, just second round. Okay, just second round. So one first round completing time 40 seconds. For second round, so 40 plus 40, then 80 seconds over. Okay, next first round over, second round over, next third round. So third round, okay, so 40 plus 40 80, 80 plus 40 120. So 120 seconds over. But totally how much second? 140 seconds. So 120 seconds over. Remaining how much second is there? 20 seconds. So for 40 seconds one round means 20 seconds half round. So after, so first round over, second round over, third round over. Next if we complete fourth round means 160 will come. But total time what? Only 140. Already 120 came. So remaining 40 is shortage. So next and the very last round, only half round of the circle, only half round. So for example, this point I mentioned as B. Okay, so third 3.5 round. So 3.5 round. For 3.5 round he covered 140 seconds. So totally 3.5 round he completed. So please listen students, you know very well, for one round means, you know that is 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. For one round 2 pi r. Like that how much round? 2 round. So 2 pi r. Again one more 2 pi r. Again one more round. One more 2 pi r. Then next half round only, no? Okay, so what will come? That is pi r. That is 2 pi r divided by 2. 2 pi r divided by 2. So first round full round 2 pi r, second round 2 pi r, third round also 2 pi r. But last round it is only the half round. That is 2 pi r by 2. Okay, so that means pi pi r. Pi pi r is nothing but 1 pi r. So totally, how much round, how much circumference of the circle? See that 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this is actually distance. So please listen. Distance covered in 40 seconds, that is 2 pi r. Okay, in 40 seconds 2 pi r. Therefore, distance covered in 140 seconds. So 140, totally 140 seconds, how much covered? 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 1 pi r. So totally, that is 7 pi r. So we can write 7 pi r. Okay, so please listen, student. So 7 pi r. So 7 pi r means what about the distance? See that 7 pi into r value. What about r value? It's 100. So we can write as 7 into pi into 100, 7 pi r. So 700 pi. 700 into pi value 22 by 7. So here 7 is one time. Here 100 time. So 100 into 22, 2200 meter. That's all. This is actually distance covered by that person after completing 3.5 round or after completing 140 seconds. Okay, actually this is we can write it, this is a question. So a question for that is to calculate distance. Okay, next displacement. Shall we calculate displacement? Yes. Okay, I can write here only. Okay, listen. So next, so B. You know that justify displacement. So displacement means that is what is the shortest distance between initial and final point. Shortest distance between initial and final point. So initial point is what? A. Final point B. Okay. For example, A, first round, second round, third and half round. So initial and the final point what? A and B. That means what? Diameter. Okay. Therefore, you can say that what is it? Displacement. That is what? Actually, AB is the displacement. So A is here, B is there. So the displacement. So the displacement is nothing but what? 2 times of R. So here 1 R, here 1 more R, here 1 R, here 1 R. So 2 R. So 2 into 100 meter. So 200 meter. So this is known as diameter. Sorry, it's a displacement. Okay. Okay, students. So I hope now you understand that how to find the distance and the displacement. So distance means that is definition. Actual path covered by the object. Here actually covered what? 3.5 round completed. That is actual distance. So that actual distance is what? That is 2200. Then next one, the displacement is nothing but shortest distance between 2 points. So here initial point is A, final point is B. The distance between 2 points is what? 100 plus 100, 200. Okay. Thank you.